Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google AI Gemini, and in today's video I will show you on how to transcribe your video to text using Google Gemini AI. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Gemini app. After you open up your Google Gemini app, next thing you want to do is to upload your video file. For that, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Files. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Videos. Then from here, go ahead and select your video file. So I'm going to make use of this particular video right here. Select on the video, then click on Select. And in a few seconds, the video is going to upload into Google Gemini right here. Then go ahead and ask Google Gemini to transcribe from video to text. And you please transcribe this video into text. Now, can you please transcribe this video text? Then make sure your prompt reach at least nothing less than 100 characters. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Send. I'm going to click on Send right here. Just like so, you can see all the video here has been fully transcribed into text, just like what you see right here. One great thing here about this is that you can also listen to the text. For that, go ahead and click on here.
Updating the app 0 to 020 introduction. Welcome back to this video. Very first thing you want to do, go ahead and open up your shopping app 020 navigation. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. On getting to your profile icon, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on or update your shopping app and get access to some of the new features shopping app 040.
Just like so, it sounds very great. It's that simple. So this is how to simply convert your text. So this is how to simply transcribe your video to text using Google Gemini AI. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.